Welcome to one of our spacious second floor apartments here at Equinox Village. Here we are walking right into the main living space. This is where most people have a living room, dining room. You can see there's plenty of light coming through the windows. And a nice view of the snow. A fully appointed kitchen. This is 1,369 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. This would be the second bedroom, or you could use it as a den or an office space. Coat closet is straight ahead. Full laundry room. High 9-foot ceilings. Second bathroom. Extra little closet space. Master bedroom. A king-size bed even would fit nicely in here. Master closet. And the master bath. We go back down the hall.